Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to review the Revolution Isolate Splash Protein Powder Supplement, and in this video we are going to review the blue raspberry flavor one. I already did a review on the gummy bear flavor one, so if you guys are interested in that particular product then go ahead and head over to that video, but this is going to be about the blue raspberry flavor. So I think that this is actually probably the best tasting protein supplement ever. Out of all the protein powders that I've tasted, this definitely tastes the best. It basically tastes like blue raspberry flavored Gatorade. If you can picture that and combine that with a protein flavor, then that's pretty much what you get in. I think that is actually the best tasting protein supplement that I've ever tasted before in my entire life. The flavor is great, and the sweeteners that they put in I think are all natural, so there isn't much of an aftertaste in the sweetness flavor. It has about 24 grams of protein, and I believe it's 120 calories total per scoop, or maybe it's 2 scoops. I think it's 1 scoop that has 120 calories, but anyways, it's pretty lean, and it's definitely going to give you a lot of protein, especially if you require a lot of protein in your diet. It's also very easy to make. You just stir it up in a cup, and I think it's 8 ounces of water, or maybe it's 12 ounces. But you mix it with the water and it mixes up pretty fast. It takes like maybe 30 seconds and then it's all mixed up and it's all ready to go. And there are some downsides to this. This is a very expensive product. I believe it's like $40 per container, which is a lot because most protein supplements are only like 20 bucks maximum, sometimes as cheap as 10 bucks per container. But I think because of the special flavor and probably all of the manufacturing that goes into this product, it makes it a lot more expensive than the other regular protein powders. It's also messy sometimes because if you get it all over the counter, it tends to stick because of the way I guess protein powder is made and the different products in protein powder that make it sticky or something. But it can be very messy, which is a downside. But besides that, I think this is a really great product, and if you guys are looking for some kind of new protein supplement to try out, I highly suggest you try it, at least if you have the money. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time.